Welcome to my Enduro Bike Maintenance series, and in this video I'm going to show you how to properly grease the Swingarm and Linkage bearings. So stay with me and let's get our hands dirty. It's me, Eligius again. This time I'm here in my man cave. It's a place where I spend a lot of money, where I fix my bikes and learn how to do stuff. How to do the maintenance and also how to do the project bikes sometimes. Not sometimes. I had only one project bike, the Honda. It needs some hands. I need to clean it, of course, first, and re-grease the bearings and linkage as well. But yeah, not today. Today's and the following couple of episodes is gonna be all about the Beta, how to maintain it. Firstly, I'm gonna check if I need to do something. I know for sure that I need to replace the rear brake pads, take off the swing arm, the linkage, and re-grease the bearings. Here is a garage. It's a desk. It's not that clean, but it has a history. I was disassembling the engine and reassembling it again, and cleaning, doing all the stuff, replacing parts. So this is me, and I hope you will like what I do. I hope you like the content, and maybe it will help you to do it yourself. So yeah, thank you for watching. So let's take the tools, and firstly we need to take out the rear wheel. The rear wheel should come off. Are almost gone, so we definitely will need to replace them. Now the linkage is next. Shock absorber first. The shock absorber bolt first. Hard to reach. It has a little cutout for... Oh no! Are you kidding me? I need to take off the peg. God damn it. For the other side. You're probably wondering why I'm not using the electric tools. I prefer doing it manually. It's less chance of damaging anything. It's a bit slower, but I'm more confident that I won't break anything. Yeah, this one was tight. It's free. To put this where it does the job. Remaining board. Good to go. It's a good sign. There are still some grease left. Not that bad. Not bad at all. Whoa, baby. I need to count how many there were. From the first side, it looks like I'm missing some. Missing 4. God damn it! 4 bearings. So I found one more. So on this side is 33, and this side is 35. So maybe it's should be 34 on both sides. We're gonna see it later. Okay, so one is done, and plenty of other bearings to go. Fuck. A bit dented. I hope bearings are okay. Yeah, there was plenty of grease. So it wasn't terrible. I think those bearings are as locked needles. Searching for treasure. It's a bit damaged, not sure if you can see it. Scratched a little bit. It's gonna be good enough for one more season, I hope. yeah, here we have a race ready linkage. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so yeah, I'll need to clean the swing arm bearings. There are 2 input bearings, needle bearings. So what you need to do is to take out the outer rings. You see, there are needle bearings. Enough. Just don't forget to put the chain inside. Okay. Something's not lining up. Good. Good. Place. Smooth as butter. Okay, so this one and this one should be 90 millimeters. This one is 50. It's time to replace the brake pads because those are almost finished. Easy task. Clean the cylinder before pushing it in. It's a difference. It's time to change the brake pads. How's the situation here? The grease hold it up quite good. Good enough. Wheel goes in. And now I need to bolt on the chain slider. To put the rug on the socket, and now you can tighten the bolt itself. This way you know that the chain tension is the max. the zippers, because those are shit. Boink, 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 boink. So yeah, this is it. This is the end of the first part of the bike maintenance. If you like it, press the thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more, because in the next episodes I'm gonna touch the front part of the bike, regrease the steering bearings and check everything else. A couple of episodes later I'm gonna do the valve check, and maybe I'm gonna change the shims if the gaps are out of spec, and yeah, some also minor stuff like regreasing the connectors, oiling the air filter, changing it, changing the oil, engine oil and the transmission oil. Yeah, I'll also need to change the front brake pads as well. So a lot of stuff is waiting. So follow me, subscribe my channel if you want to see more. And thanks for watching, and see you later.